Tired of a stiff, slow, or leaky kitchen faucet? Upgrade to a Moen Reflex pull-down faucet for smooth, effortless operation that makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. And the best part? You can install it yourself in just 5 simple steps. No plumber needed. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prep the workspace. Turn off the hot and cold water valves under the sink. Grab a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and safety glasses. Clear the area so you have room to work. Trust me, it makes everything smoother. Step 2. Mount the faucet. If your sink has 3 holes, use the deck plate and gasket. If you have 1 hole, just use the spout base gasket. Feed the hoses and faucet shank through the opening. Keep the handle on the right and center the faucet. Under the sink, slide on the support bracket if needed, then the mounting washer, and tighten the mounting nut with the Moen tool. Step 3. Connect the water lines. Attach the hot line, white tag, to the hot inlet. Snug, but not too tight. Do the same for the cold line. A solid connection here prevents future leaks. Step 4. Install the pull-down hose and wait. Feed the small end of the pull-down hose through the spout. Remove the protective cap and click it into place using Moen's Duralock Quick Connect system. Attach the hose weight between the white locator mark and the curve of the hose. This is what gives the Reflex system its smooth return. Step 5. Flush, attach the sprayer, and final check. Turn the water valves back on. Run water for 15 seconds to clear debris. Remove the wand's protective cover, ensure the washer and screen are inside, then thread the wand onto the hose until flush. Clear out anything under your sink so the hose can glide freely. That's key for perfect reflex performance. And you're done. With just a few tools and 5 easy steps, your Moen Reflex faucet is installed, smooth, and ready for everyday action. Enjoy the upgrade. You earned it.